Dear children, good morning to all. Today I am going to teach the lesson Green Environment. From this lesson, already we learnt waste management and 3 R's system. Now, shall we see? Conserve our environment. How do we conserve our environment? Through waste separation. Conserve our environment. Rahul, what is meant by conservation of environment, madam? Teacher, conservation of environment means to protect all things found in nature. It means that we have to use our Earth's natural resources carefully, like water, soil, minerals, wildlife and forest. Vimal, how can I conserve the environment? Teacher, everyone can conserve the environment by following good waste management habits. What is the first R in the 3 R's? Kanimoli, reduce, madam. Teacher, correct. We should first try to reduce the waste we make. Thus, we can easily conserve the environment. We can also separate our waste at home to keep our place litter free and clean. Shall we see waste separation briefly? Do you have the habit of separation of the waste? Yes, waste separation helps to dispose of waste properly. Waste separation. Waste at home should be separated into biodegradable, recyclable and non-recyclable waste. Waste like leftover food, vegetable waste which are broken down naturally should be collected in a separate litter box. Metals which cannot be decomposed should be placed in separate dustbin. Paper waste, glass waste and aluminium waste which can be recycled into new useful products should be kept in separate box. Students, do you know glass containers for food and beverages are 100% recyclable and can be recycled endlessly without loss in quality or purity. Students, can you say some examples of biodegradable waste? Fruits, leaves, broom, etc. Recyclable, paper, metals, etc. Non-recyclable, plastic bags, CFL lights and medical waste. Sistika, I have heard the news that plastic is harmful to our environment. Is it true, ma'am? Teacher, plastic itself is not bad, but we are using too much of it. Overuse of plastic causes pollution. Plastics that are used only one time causes pollution. It is good to avoid or reduce one-time usable plastics. The best way to start is to ask yourself this question. Is this plastic item going to be used one time or many times? If you can use it only once, then try to avoid buying such plastic items. Plastics in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is leading the way in India by banning some one-times as plastic items List of items banned in Tamil Nadu are given below. First one, plastic bags. Animals eat plastic bags by accident and their food passage is choked. Second one, plastic plates. Plastic plates stay in the environment for over 1000 years. Third one, water pouches. Water pouches litter the land and are difficult to recycle. Fourth one, plastic straws. Plastic straws are difficult to recycle and end up polluting the ocean. Fifth one, plastic seeds. Chemicals from plastic seeds leak into food. A11. What are the things that can be used instead of plastic, madam? Teacher. We can use things that are harmless for the environment. These are called environment friendly or eco-friendly materials and can be either biodegradable or reusable. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.